If your keyboard or mouse inputs feel delayed on LDPlayer, implies like buttons responding late or movement feeling sluggish, yeah, that's input lag. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer input delay step by step and make controls feel instant again in 2026. Let's get into it. First, restart LDPlayer and close any heavy background apps. Things like browsers, screen recorders, or overlays can cause input delay without you noticing. Now open LDPlayer and click the gear icon on the right side to open settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab. Set CPU cores to 2 or 4 depending on your PC. For RAM, 4 to 6 gigabytes works best for low input lag. Too much memory can actually make inputs feel slower. I mean, it's counterintuitive, but it happens. Next, switch the graphics rendering mode. If you're using OpenGL, try DirectX. If you're on DirectX already, test OpenGL. One of these usually reduces input delay instantly. Now increase the frame rate setting. Set it to 60 or 90 FPS if your PC can handle it. Higher FPS means lower input lag, especially in fast-paced games. Lower the emulator resolution to 720p. Set DPI around 240. High resolution and DPI increase input latency, especially on mid-range systems. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. These features add processing delay, which directly affects input response. Finally, make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. Without it, LDPlayer relies more on the CPU, which increases input delay during gameplay. And that's it. After these changes, inputs should feel much faster and more responsive on LDPlayer. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other LDPlayer performance guides on the channel. See you in the next one.